Luckily for modern students, there are lots of tools to help store and keep track of the sources of information that they have used, as well as make a list of works cited for their project. This part of the tutorial is about a tool that is free for beginning students. It's called Noodle Tools. First, make yourself a free starter account. The features on this account are all you need for now. First, we'll register an account. We want a free NoodleBib MLA starter account. Put in a personal ID. Check its availability. It's available, so we'll put in a password. Initials and phone number, just the last 4 digits. Now we've registered our account. Now we're ready to start making a new list. Let's call it something that makes sense to us for this project. We'll just call it Bio Project for biography. Now we can start putting in the different resources that we used for our paragraph. Let's create a citation for one of the books that was used. The book that was used was a print book. First, we put in the author's information. Then we put in the rest of the information in the fields given. You can find this information on a page near the very beginning of your book. Here's an example. Once you have filled in the information required, the citation is created and looks like this. That is the basic citation for a book. Let's fill one in for a resource on the internet. One of our resources is a magazine. We found this article on the internet. Let's see how we would cite it. Choose Magazine. Online. This looks like it is probably an exact copy reposted on a website from the magazine. You might have to look at the website a little while before you can figure that out. Now just tab back and forth between NoodleBib and your source in order to fill in the information. For example, we'll start with the author, and we find the author's name here. Because this is an online resource, one of the important steps is to put in the URL. You can copy and paste this right from your browser. And that's what a citation looks like for the online resource. There are many different resources available on the internet, and Noodle Tools, or a similar tool, can help you cite them properly. In our article, we are using embedded citations as we write the article instead of footnotes. Here's how we can use Noodle Tools to format these. Go to the citation in the list that you wish to use in your paper. Click here on Parenthetical Reference. This actually gives you the rules for how to do it, but if you're just planning to put it at the end of the sentence, put the page numbers in here, and up here you will see the exact way it should go into your sentence. You can copy and paste it from here. Now let's look at how to create the list of references. Using the Word Doc button, we can create a document that we can then use for our project. There it is. We can change the font to match the rest of our document.